Looking ahead, Disney's first exclusive theatrical release since the beginning of the pandemic, hitting the box office this Labor Day weekend. Julia Borston is here with more. Hi, Julia.
Well, Courtney, Marvel's Shang-Chi bringing in nearly $9 million from Thursday night previews at the domestic box office. That is less than Black Widow's $13 million open. Now, unlike Black Widow, which was released simultaneously on Disney Plus for an additional fee, as well as in theaters, Shang-Chi will be exclusively in theaters for 45 days, making it a key test of demand for moviegoing and of the impact of simultaneous release, along with piracy. This is after piracy spiked for Black Widow. Now, with shares of Cinemark and IMAX both down about 30% in the past 3 months, theater chains are hoping for a hit. One thing working in favor of this film, it does have a 92% positive critic score, guys.
I was just going to say, Julia, catch me up on where theater going is these days based on ticket sales. I mean, what is the expectation for how many people may come to see this movie, maybe on the high and the low end or an average?
Well, so the majority of theaters are open, but many of them are operating at limited capacity. Many of them have mask mandates. So there is a sense that the overall box office is definitely going to be down dramatically from where it was 2 years ago, 2019 being the natural comparison. The question is whether this movie can perform at the level of a Black Widow, which was a relatively big opening, but then it dropped off. Can it be bigger than a Black Widow because it isn't also available at home? So that's really the question here. People are going to be sort of trying to figure out what the future of movies look like if they're not also available at home. There just haven't been that many examples of that. The question is if that exclusivity drives more people to leave their homes or if COVID keeps people at home.